Hey guys, so let's talk about money. You guys love money, so let me just tell you how much do I make since I've been monetized on the 7th of February up until now. So I've got 1027 subscribers with 2129 views for the last 48 hours. Right, sorry for the background noise, that's my kids. So the way you count it is per 1000 views. Okay, not everyone is the same. Okay, let's say you make $1 per 1000 views. Some other categories may make more than you, some may make less. The category with the highest rate would be financial and cosmetics. Okay, so when you make videos, you go into your channel analytics. So as you can see, I've made $1.14 for February of 9th and February of 10th. The data on the February of 7th up until February of 8th are still unavailable because they made some changes. I'm not sure what it is. Let's just hope some increase in my revenue there. So as you can see, I've only made 25 cents in the first day, and on the second day my views went up, so I got 89 cents. As you can see, do not worry if you get so little money or you're making less money than you hope you get. This is just the beginning, this is just the first step. As you make more videos and you get more views, you get your money. I'm making this as my hobby and I love what I'm doing. So that's it. How much money I've made? $1.14 for 2 days. So you can estimate how much money you can make in 28 days. Just remember that this data may change in the future because your earnings per 1000 views will increase. So just make what you love what you make, and everything will go smoothly for you. That's how much money I make. I don't make thousands of money. It's just small amounts, but enough for me, because if I estimate it correctly, I still am projecting some growth in my channel, so it will be more, it will be less. That's all for me. That's how much I get for 2000 views in 48 hours and 1000 subscribers. I hope you are doing better than me. Till next time, see ya.